Hey planners, it's Tay of ShawntePlans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be planning from April 27th to May 3rd and using the Sherbert kit from Paper Muse Crafts. This kit is foiled with silver foil, and on this page we have the full boxes and some quarter boxes down at the bottom. Date covers, weekly trackers, habit trackers, page flags, layering icons, half box checklist, date dots. On this page we've got the bottom washi, headers, and then foiled arrows, which is so cute. And then on this page we've got the half boxes, quarter boxes, labels, page flags, appointment labels, cut washi, page flags, and some deco. Her kits come on premium matte paper, so they feel amazing. The foiling is even and consistent and so beautiful. I love the deco that she includes, especially these florals. You guys know I'm a big fan of utilizing floral deco in my spreads, and so I'm very excited about that. Really looking forward to using this kit, and I love all of the yellow that's in it. I think it's so pretty and it really stands out, and I cannot wait to get started with this. So if you would like to see how I use this kit, please just keep watching. Starting this week as usual by laying down my base, which includes the bottom washi, date covers, and my sidebar. With her bottom washi, she doesn't have, like most of the time, the shorter side that includes the sidebar will be cut so that it only covers those first 3 columns, but hers was a little bit longer, and so I ended up just cutting off that part and saving it, which worked out really well because I'm going to end up using that in my sidebar a little bit later. But I'm going to put down the bottom washi, and I love the contrast and the combination of the kind of solid yellow one with just that simple silver foiled line next to the florals. I thought that was really pretty. The date dots that I'm using are from Rose Colored Days, and once I have all of my date covers down, I'm going to start building my sidebar. And I want to say I started this week with the best of intentions, because in my sidebar, one of my habit trackers was tracking a so-called no spend that I was supposed to start this week, and I had high hopes for it. I really did. I knew going into it that I was going to make an exception on Tuesday because there was a new release coming out by Crafts by Tally that I had been planning to buy. And so I was like, okay, it's fine. You'll do your no spend. You'll take a break on Tuesday, but then you'll get right back to it. Yeah, that did not work out well. I totally failed that no spend. But anyways, on to the sidebar. I started by putting down the quote box, which says I must have flowers always and always. And then I started building my different sections. I wanted to have a school section this week to mark my assignments, a dinner section, and then I have my 2 habit trackers at the bottom of my sidebar, one marking my workouts for the week and the other marking my alleged no spin that, as we already have discussed, was an epic fail. And I find myself always doing this the same way, and I think next week I might try to switch up the order of what's happening in my sidebar just to do something different, because I enjoy just doing random things in my planner and just trying new stuff. But for this week, we're going with my standard format. In between my habit trackers, I used one of those heart dividers from Netty Designs. I love those things. It's one of my favorite dividers. And then here I am adding just the header to my dinner section, and I laid down one of the floral deco pieces from the kit, layered a little plate and cutlery icon from Paper Muse Crafts on top of it, and here I'm just cutting off the excess part of that floral. Then I lifted it up to tuck the dinner script underneath it. The scripts in my sidebar are all from Sticky Sloth Designs, and I love these scripts. The font, I really love this font, and so I found myself keep going back to her shop to order scripts for my sidebar because I just think they're so pretty. I'm filling out my school section, and what ended up happening was when I wrote in that half box, I really did not like the way I wrote in that half box. So you are going to see that section change later, and it's not because I didn't think it was really cute with that purple half box there. I thought it was adorable, but my writing was just ugh, and I was just like, no. So that's going to change a little bit later. Moving on to the quote box that's in the sidebar, I wanted to add a little more foil to it, so I decided to add these Art Deco corners from Rose Colored Days, and I thought it gave a little bit more of a foil pop and really tied it in with the rest of the spread, so I thought it was cute. Maybe it was a little bit too much, but I liked it. So moving on to the day by day. On Monday, I put down a today header, and that came from the kit, and then I'm going to put down a half box, and I want to mark the week of work from home that it is, because I've been keeping track of that in my planner on Mondays ever since I've been working from home, and it is now week 6 for me. And then also on the weeks that I get paid, I also have to remind myself to approve my time card, because my memory fails me on that one every time. So it's nice to have it in my planner as a lovely reminder. Then I put down one of those bow headers from Tassel Planner, and her shop is now closed, but there are a lot of other great shops that have bow headers. I highly recommend them from Sadie's Stickers. Hers are adorable. Then I moved down to the bottom of the page, put down a label sticker from the kit, and layered a homework due script from Letters to Apollo on top of that. And then this cute little bow pin is from the GP Studio, and I just wanted to mark a homework assignment that I had due Monday night. I'm adding a little foiled bow from Tassel Planner on top of the bow pin just to bring in some more foil to that area, because there wasn't any foil on any of those stickers. And so then under the full box on Monday, I'm placing down a to-do header, adding one of those little layering circles, and then the laptop icon from the kit. And this is more schoolwork that I'm just marking down. This was a week that was just full of so much homework. Like, I felt like all I did this week was work and homework. Fun times. Then I'm starting to put down the full boxes on Tuesday and Wednesday. This is probably why my no spin was a fail, because I needed some retail therapy, as my brain was just tired of thinking. Anyways, back to Monday. I put down one of the foiled arrows from the kit, and I'm layering this little shopping bag from Creativity and Ink. And I just wanted to mark down that I'd done some shopping on Amazon for just like basic essential personal care items and things like that. And then I also picked up some more whiteout because, as all planner girls know, especially if you've got this Erin Condren, we go through a lot of whiteout. And then I put down another one of those Netty Designs heart dividers, and then I'm marking a show that I have been loving watching lately, and it's called Flip or Flop, and it's one of those HGTV shows where they flip houses, and they do just such an amazing job, and it's so cool just seeing the transformation. And so here's where I decided I really was so annoyed by my handwriting in the sidebar, so I lifted up that half box and replaced it with another half box from the kit. I am gonna go back and replace the school labeling above it because I felt like it was way too much floral and it started to clash, but I haven't gotten there yet. Going back to Tuesday, I put down a to-do header and then added a half box, and it was getting close to the end of the month, and I work in finance, so month end is always a very busy time for us. And so with this week working from home, having shorter hours, and then getting to the end of the month, I usually will try to start prepping and try to like start making sure I'm getting stuff done the day before so that I'm ready for month end. This month I started 2 days before because I really wanted to like get a jump on things and make sure I was starting to wrap things up, because I knew Tuesday through Thursday was going to be crazy busy at work, and it was. So I was just marking that. Then I put down another one of those heart dividers, cut one of the floral deco pieces in half, layered a new releases script from Rose Color Days on top of that, and I wanted to mark Crafts by Towie's new releases. She came out with 3 new kits this week, and I fell in love with all 3 of them and bought all 3 of them. And I was just like, yup, this is happening. And one of them is going to be my birthday kit, and I'm so excited about that. And so, yeah, I had to mark that in my planner. Then I put down one of the foiled headers and then a page flag from the kit, layered the other half of that floral that I'd cut, and then I'm adding a YouTube script from Artbox Stickers, and I wanted to remind myself to reply to comments. You guys are so sweet and always leave me the nicest comments, and it totally makes my day, and I like to try to make sure I stay up on top of responding. Then I'm putting down one of the circled the little circle layering circles, foiled layering circles, I guess is what you would call it, and then added a headphones icon from Tassel Planner to mark that the music that I've been listening to, which was a lot of Billie Eilish that day. And then I'm adding another one of those bow headers from Tassel Planner, and this little cat doing yoga, who is adorable, is by the GP Studio, and I use that to mark my workout for the day. This is where I went back to my sidebar and was like, ugh, the clash with the header and then that box, because it had florals on it, was just way too much. So I put down the leftover part that I cut off from the bottom washi, which was so pretty, and I love that it added more of a pop of yellow to my sidebar. And then I'm taking the floral deco piece, cutting down the side, and then the part that I cut off, I just moved to the other corner of that box, added the school script, and I was really happy with how my sidebar came together. Let me know if this is just me, because for me, I feel like my sidebar sets kind of the tone for my whole page. If I'm unhappy with my sidebar, it throws me off. And oh my gosh, okay, so here's where I'm going to mark my midweek post on Wednesday. And I realized that I had totally marked the show I was watching on Monday with a camera and not a TV. And you guys all just like watched me put down that camera icon. No one said anything to me. No one was like, hey, Tay, that's not a TV. You guys just all watched me do that, and everybody was cool with it. That's all right. That's okay. I'm just kidding. Yeah, but this is me correcting myself because I was like, wait, that's not a TV. So I moved that over to Wednesday, and that midweek script is from Rose Colored Days. Then I put down a half box from the kit, and again, I'm just marking some stuff from work. I added this little deco shorts from the kit to that full box. It had nothing to do with work. It was literally just because I thought those were the most adorable, cute little shorts, and I really loved the deco, and I wanted to include it in this spread, so I put it on that half box. And now I am just building a little scene to mark studying, and so I'm starting with some of the cut washi from the kit, adding this cute little desk from the GP studio, and then the study script is by Artbox Stickers, and I really love the way that came together. Those stickers layered so cute to me. And then with the little white space area that was there, I decided to add some butterflies, and these are by Netty Designs. And I love how cute and small those little deco stickers are. They just add a really fun touch. And then underneath there, I'm adding a quarter box from the kit. And this is where I'm going to mark that because I knew I was going to break my no spend on Tuesday, so I was marking on Wednesday that I was getting back on track with my no spend. And I used the credit card icon from the kit and this no spend script from Rose Colored Days. I literally bought some Simply Gilded washi in bed that morning, Wednesday morning, because we all make great decisions at 5 a.m. when we're scrolling through Instagram on our phones, right? It's not just me. Yeah, well, that's what happened. So no spend out the window. Added another one of those bow headers from ShawntePlans, and then underneath there I added a cell phone icon from the kit, and just to mark that I had FaceTimed my parents. Moving on to the second half of the week, I wanted to spread out the full boxes from Thursday to Sunday, and I wanted to make sure the box on Friday had a lot of empty space on it because I'm going to add the Hello May on top of it. And typically I will put my favorite full box on Thursday, which did not work out this week because I didn't want the two florals right next to each other. So my favorite full box from the kit was the one with the little outfit, which ended up on Saturday. But I still am very happy with how those laid out. And then I'm adding this Hello May script on top of the full box on Friday, and that script is from Artbox Stickers. Putting a Rose Colored Days foiled header on Thursday, and then jumping back over to Friday, I'm going to mark that it is payday, and I'm using a page flag from the kit, and I'm cutting it down because I didn't want it to run the full width of the column, which is something I see Lauren from Plan Most Plan do all the time, and I think it's adorable. And so I put that down and then layered a payday script from Netty Designs on top of it. Added another one of those Netty Designs heart dividers. And then I moved over to Sunday because that full box didn't have any foil on it, and all of the other full boxes did. So I wanted to add some foil to that one. So I added some corners from Rose Colored Days and then some more of the cute little butterflies from Netty Designs. And so now that full box is foiled. Moving back to Thursday, I'm putting down a washi strip, a header from the kit, and then adding a half box. I'm going to use a work script from Rose Colored Days. It was month end. I wanted to mark that it was a very busy day at work. And then the little flourish is from Sadie's Stickers, and I thought that was super cute. Underneath that full box, I'm putting down a sticker sheet from ShawntePlans to mark some Happy Mail that I got in from Sadie's Stickers using another one of those bow headers. And then I'm going to put down a study icon, and that's from the GP studio, which was perfect because studying was pretty much my life this week. And so then I'm going to put down a camera icon from Artbox Stickers, and the Film Plan With Me script is from Letters to Apollo. And so I plan multiple days throughout the week because I do kind of a plan as I go style. And so basically what I do is I'll just make sure I turn on my camera as I'm planning out the next couple of days. So I tend to plan a couple of days throughout the week to get my spreads done. I finished off Thursday by adding a page flag with a workout icon from Crafts by Towie, and that workout script was from Tassel Planner. On Friday, I'm putting down the pay bill script is from Nicole Hutch Designs, and the money bag icon is from Tassel Planner. Half box from the kit with a laptop from Artbox Stickers to mark that I wanted to do a little bit of online shopping for some summer clothes because the weather's starting to warm up. And I would like to point out that generally when I'm talking about a no spend, I mean in terms of stickers. That doesn't mean I'm not spending money on just anything, just by the way. So I did not count that as a break in my no spend. But I did end up buying some stickers that day, so I did break my no spend again on Friday. No judgment. I added some more butterflies to the half box on Thursday, then moved over to Saturday. Starting with one of the foiled headers from the kit, then I'm going to get to work on my weekend banner, and I'm putting down some of the cut washi from the kit just to give myself a backdrop for the weekend banner. And I'm going to add a little piece of deco. This is from the Sweet Planner, and I love this sticker. I think the florals are so cute. And then this weekend script is from Netty Designs, and I thought that my weekend banner came together super cute. Then I'm going to put down one of these laptop half boxes from My Newest Addiction, and layering a school script from Rose Color Days on top of it to mark down a homework assignment that I needed to get done that day. I marked that I wanted to wash dishes, and I'm adding a little bow header, and then the cutlery icon is from Paper Muse Crafts. I'm using a nail polish bottle from Artbox Stickers, and I just use that to mark painting my nails, which I try to do every Saturday because I like to do my nails every week. And then at the bottom of Saturday, I'm marking that I wanted to get some editing done on this plan with me that you guys are watching so I could have it up and live on Sunday. And I'm using a film clapper icon from Tassel Planner, and the edit plan with me script is from Letters to Apollo. Starting off Sunday with a foiled header from Rose Color Days and layering one of the floral deco pieces from the kit. I'm just going to have that hang over the edge and then cut off the excess. The church script is from Letters to Apollo, and I'm using that just to mark watching church online, which is very convenient since I can't physically go there. And then I'm adding another one of those dividers from Netty Designs, and on the half box I layered a to-do script from Rose Colored Days, and again just marking a homework assignment that I needed to get done. I swear it's like homework has just taken over my planner. It's ridiculous. Then I put down a half box and used the little grocery icon from that came with the kit, and I just marked that I ordered some groceries. Used the laundry basket from the kit, and the laundry script is from Letters to Apollo. And then to mark me time, I took the other half of that floral deco that I cut from the top of Sunday, put it down at the bottom, and the me time script is from the GP Studio. And that completes my spread for this week. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're all having an amazing day and staying safe. I'll see you next video. Bye.